Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Vudu streaming application on your Firestick. Well, Vudu is the video on demand platform that provides its user movies, TV shows, entertainment, documentaries and much more. This is not like other streaming platform because it does not have any monthly membership. So if you stick with me for just a few minutes more, and I'm going to show you how you can install Vudu streaming application on your Fire Stick free of cost. Let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, we cannot sideload any application on our Fire Stick. So just hold to search icon, slide down and click on My Fire TV. And here again slide down and click on developer options. And guys, here you'll find two options. So scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. Warning message appear on your screen, so select turn on. And here as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party applications. Through this app, we install Vudu streaming application on our Fire Stick. So just hold to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, session list appear. So slide down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and the downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch. When you launch downloader app first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photos, media and files. So just select allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app. That is only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hold to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type your Vudu streaming application URL address exactly as it showing on your screen. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button. And it will connecting to server. After that, Vudu streaming application downloaded in a few seconds, depends on your internet connection. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. So here click on install button. And here as you can see, Vudu app has been installed. Now click on done button and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete and again. After deleting backup file, hold remote home button for a few seconds. Slide over and click on apps. And guys, here you'll find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So slide down and highlight Vudu streaming app. Now press remote option button. Right side menu appear on your screen. So slide down and click on move to front. And here as you can see, Vudu app is front of your all Amazon applications. Now press the remote select button to launch it. And here what you have to do, you need to create Vudu account, and if you don't have account, then open this URL address on your mobile or laptop browser and create Vudu account. After that, click on sign in button and click on Vudu account and type here your account. So guys, you can use this method to download Vudu app on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video is real for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next on next video. Take care.